Hi.
Hi.
I've got a little assistant with me today.
Hello.
This is Sisi. Say hi.
Hello, guys.
Oh, you already did that. Yes, and she's going to help me with a little review that we're doing today of an old one, but a good one, something that really doesn't get talked about all that often. And that one is right here. It is Burberry.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Like this one? It says Burberry for men.
Nice.
It's for men, but are you a man?
Yes.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. It's 2021, I guess, so you can be whatever you like.
Exactly.
Exactly. Now, Sisi, you have your own YouTube channel, don't you?
Yeah, I do gaming reviews there.
Oh, that's interesting. What's a game?
Something you play.
Fair enough.
Hey, viewers! I'm SiSiSoft. Subscribe to me.
Is this a game?
No, it's a fragrance.
How clever. All right, do you want to do the unboxing today?
Okay, why not?
Do you know how to unbox these?
No.
You don't?
No.
Well, it'll be your first time. Maybe before we do that, we might get some refreshments, because it is hot.
Very hot.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing a sweater.
And you are wearing a sweater. That's pretty weird. Cheers. Have some, what is this, peach iced tea?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Delicious.
Nice.
Refreshing. Away you go. Let's unbox Burberry for men.
Is it already recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Yes, we're recording.
Hi.
Are we recording? I hope we're recording.
Wait,
We can't do an unboxing twice. I only bought one of these.
we are recording.
We're recording.
Okay. I'm the best at opening.
You have to figure it out.
Can you just skip it until I open it? Like, cut it out?
I can't, I don't have a remote to skip stuff.
I mean, like, when you're editing and stuff.
When I'm editing,
When you're...
I don't do editing. I don't know how to edit.
Yes, you do.
You sure?
You edit the video. So you cut out all these random bits and just close up on your mouth.
Close up on my mouth.
Yeah, nice. Yay! I managed to...
Look at that. Just pretend it's a Christmas present and just rip through it.
It's my Christmas present!
Yeah. Merry Christmas. I got you Burberry for men, sweetheart.
Wow, I love
Great
this!
dad.
Wow,
Yay.
interesting.
Be at one with nature, plastic.
You littered, okay?
Was that good or bad?
Good? No. God, no. Good. Good,
It'll
bad.
biodegrade, won't it? In like 20,000 years?
Probably.
Yeah, probably. Okay, Burberry. This is looking like it's the new formulation. This has been
Exactly.
around for a while, and the box has changed, and this is the new formulation of this. So this used to be quite a good fresh alternative and a cheap alternative for some fragrances that existed in the day, especially Chanel's Platinum Egoist, which I don't really like. So let's have a go at this. I'm already wearing something, so you're going to be my little tester today.
Yeah.
Burberry for men.
Just don't spray on the microphone.
Okay, let's have a go. It's not really a summer fragrance. Do you want me to, where do you want me to spray it? On your arm?
My arm.
Yeah, okay, on your arm. Let's do that. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
And one for the back.
Oh, and one for the back. There you
Yeah.
go. Wow, what a quick learner.
Wow.
Ooh,
Wow, interesting.
really? What was that face for?
I don't know. It just feels like a summer fragrance, but you say it's not.
Really?
Yeah.
It's whatever you think it is.
I always feel like fragrances are they all like smell like soap.
Well, not all of them.
Some of them. Most
The
of
ones that you like wearing smell like soap.
them. It's
Actually,
because
no,
of-
what do you wear? What's the one in your room?
I think that was the Wild.
Oh, that's right. She likes to wear Insurrection 2 Wild
Yeah, it
by
looks
Ray
like a
Ann
book.
Tradition. That's right, it looks like a book. But she likes that tobacco heavy scent.
I do.
You do. You seem to like wearing it all the
I
time.
don't think it smells like tobacco.
Yeah? It smells like cherries.
Kind of sweet, yeah.
Kind of sweet. Yeah.
This one just catches my nose. It's like a nice sweet smell, and then like a tiny bit, like a second of the after smell. Well, the after smell, it's like a bit of poop, I guess.
A bit of poop.
I don't know. It's just some kind of thing that just comes up in your nose.
Wait, you showered this morning, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay, so you're clean. All right. Well, that's some nice poop. I wish my poop smelled like that.
Yeah. Same thing.
That smells pretty good, actually.
I don't know. It just has some kind of nature wax kind of after smell, I guess.
Nature wax.
Not really. I don't know how to describe it.
To me, it smells like mint,
True.
a little bit of violets, a little bit of lemon,
What is that thing though? Poop?
vetiver. I smell vetiver in there.
What's that?
It's a grass.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's got like a really very, very differing kind of scent profiles. Let's keep on going with this. You have got good skin for fragrances.
Really?
Yes.
Can you smell it?
I can smell it, yeah. And then
smell it.
we're behind some, like there's a lemon tree behind us as well. So we can smell that too. That might be
Not really.
affecting it. You can't smell it? Well, actually the flowers aren't out.
Take another drink.
Take another drink. This is hard work. So what can we say about this?
Well, it looks like our iced tea.
Actually, it does look like our iced tea. It's the same color.
Wish we could drink it.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to drink it, especially if you said it smells like a bit like poo.
Yeah, good point.
Yeah, poo breath.
Right.
Yeah. This isn't your speciality, is it? The fragrance reviews.
No.
Gaming reviews. What game would this be good for?
Super Mario perfumes.
Super Mario perfumes. Come on, Nintendo.
Yeah, so quickly explain it. Mario is with his bro Luigi, and they find a broken perfume in his room. And then he's like, oh, mamma mia, it's the spaghetti perfume, but it's broken. And then Luigi's like, we need to find some more perfumes, bro. So then they just collect perfumes instead of coins, and like perfume creators' faces cut out are the enemies.
I'm the enemy?
No, you're Bowser.
I'm Bowser.
It's like your face cut out on the Bowser body.
Yeah, I'm the bad guy.
Yeah.
Duh.
Duh.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. That's an interesting game concept.
Very.
Yeah. All right. Cool. We might pitch that to Nintendo and see if they pick it up.
Yeah, maybe we could have that for Christmas.
Christmas, yeah. With
Yeah.
Christmas fragrances.
Exactly.
Is this a Christmas fragrance?
Not sure. Spring fragrance?
Yeah, it is a bit old school. Like I feel like this would have been something that when I was a young boy would have been popular. Now it might be. Actually, it's still quite. Yeah, you could still do it. It's pretty inoffensive. Like it's gone past that sort of harsh, sort of lemony opening in the beginning, and I think it's getting a bit more aromatic now.
Exactly.
Yeah, it feels like it's got a similarity to D&G Dolce & Gabbana's Pour Homme, which I also have.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's one that I never thought that I would like again because I smelled it so much when I was growing up. What does it smell like now? Has the smell changed?
Not really.
You still get the poop?
Not really anymore. Maybe it was another smell. Wait, no. Okay, I got it.
Yeah? You do?
So, like, describing it in my own words, it's like you get a cherry blossom that's about to, like, it's not blooming anymore. It's blooming, and then it just kind of stops blooming.
Right.
And then you get a lemon, and you just kind of squirt it there, and you mix it with a spoon that's already been used for someone's coffee. And then you smell it. And since the coffee makes the poop kind of smell, it has the cherry blossom, with a faint smell of the cherry blossom with, like, mostly lemon in it. I can smell the poop.
That's such an interesting take.
Yeah.
Maybe you should be a fragrance reviewer.
Maybe the fragrance pooped in my arm, and I sprayed it.
Burberry's never going to want to talk to us ever.
No, never.
You're telling them that their fragrance smells like poop.
I don't know why. It just gets this after smell.
That's interesting. Well, while we bake under the sun and have another sip of refreshment, lavender.
Yeah, okay, that's one thing you noted. That's true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, lavender. Don't know what it smells like, but I'm pretty sure it's something
We've
like
got
that.
lavender. We've got lavender in the front garden there. We've got a whole bunch of lavender there.
Oh, I didn't know what lavenders look like.
It smells like that stuff that's in the front yard.
Okay.
You've never smelled it?
Not really.
You can smell it when they're in bloom. You can smell them in the front yard if you walk there. If you ever stop playing video games and go outside, you'd smell it.
Well, I did that yesterday. You don't want me to get another mosquito bite, do you?
Oh, okay, you and your mosquitoes. Cool. Well, there you have it, folks. Burberry for men on a man. You're a man? You're still
Yeah.
a man?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. There it is.
See my man. I have a mustache.
You have
My
a
man.
mustache? All right, mustache man. So there it is, Burberry for men, an oldie, but still a goodie. I think it's a really cool, sort of cheap and affordable. Oh, well, I said cheap, didn't I? It's an affordable, office-friendly scent as I believe the world is going to slowly open up and get back into the offices, especially here, this is something that you could potentially just pop in your bag or in your jacket pocket and spritz yourself throughout the day. I really don't think that it's a really long-lasting fragrance, but the citrus up the top, the vetiver in the base, and the lavender to help that go along is quite pleasant, as a matter of fact. And I don't think it's dated, so you could still wear it, young, old. I don't think this has an age profile either. Probably unisex as well. I'd say it's unisex because what, you're a man and I'm a woman, and we could both wear this easily.
Yeah.
I'd say so.
Totally.
Totally. All right, cool. Thanks, Sisi, for joining me.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem? Would you do this again, or?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe? Oh.
Okay, it's a yes.
It's a yes? Sweet, thanks. What do we do?
I don't know.
Maybe we should say, thanks for watching.
Should we say hi to the fragrance god after?
Fragrance god? Nah, I think he's busy. He's at the beach.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Just probably say thanks for watching.
Okay.
And then disappear. Should we?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Ready? Thanks
They're
for
watching, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Yay.
Do you want to do it again? We go 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Oh, we got to click afterwards. Yeah? Yeah. Ready? Thanks for watching. A beebity boobada. A beebity babadoo. A wabala boobala. Huh? Really?
Oh, what if we do this in gibberish?
In gibberish?
Yeah, a quick review in gibberish.
Quick review in gibberish. Boobity, boobity, boobity.
Blah, 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 blah.
A fusht, fusht. A fusht.
Blah, blah, blah.
A push, push.
A double dog, double.
Okay.
Double dog, double.
A push, 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 push.
Double dog, double. The double, blah, blah, double, blah, blah, blah.
You're insane.
Yes, I am.
Backyard smells nice now.
Yeah, I think the fragrance got on my nose.
That's where it's supposed to go, so you can smell it.
In my nose.
In your nose.
On my nose.
What if you, hey, instead of spraying it on your skin, just spray it in your nose. That way you could smell it better.
Yeah, exactly.
Would that be bad though? I think that might burn your nostrils.
Exactly.
Don't try it.
Oh, one day I will.
No way.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
Oh, ee, ooh. Okay.
Okay.
Wow, it's hot.
Ah, touch my head, it's burning.
Ah, my eye. Okay, cool. Done.
Hello.
Hello. I hope that was recording. I really hope that was recording. You reckon it was recording?
Yeah, can I check?
Let's go check.
Please be recording. Please be recording.
Please, sir. Please.